Hello everyone, I'm Davis. Long time no see. Today, I would like to show you our latest vertical edgy machine. What's so magical about it? Let's go! 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 Brother! Go! Come on, we'll finish this one right away. Quartz stone. Let's take a look. Now I have a piece of steel in my hand, freshly ground quartz stone. Let's take a look at its grinding effect. Come, take a look. There is an upside down R angle on it. Then polish the straight edges on the sides. The effect is still very good. Let me show you the main configuration of our machine. You can see it here. There are two, grinding small edges, one positive and one negative. So here's head and tail. You can look here again. Come on, let's come over here and look at this. There are 5 stereotypes in total. A structure polished with straight edges. Here is the straight edge polished front. It uses an electroplated straight edge wheel. What about the back? We have a watermill with different mesh numbers. You can see the watermill. And the effect of the watermill sheet is very, very convenient. Come on, let's help. The lens can be zoomed in to see how to take out this watermill. Okay, this has been taken out. Come, let's take a look at our camera. So this is 150 diameters of a water sheet. It is specially used for polishing. It says 2000 mesh here. That is, its polished mesh number is 2000. So it's very convenient to go up and use. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, after sticking it in this way, it can be used directly. In addition to this configuration, we can also customize a lot of styles. For example, like grinding French edges, 1/4 of a bull's nose, and 1/2 of the bull nose. There is also straight edge polishing. There are also various processes such as special shaped edges. We can produce custom-made products for you. Okay, that's it for the video of this issue. Interested friends, remember to call me. I'm Davis. I'm waiting for you in Fasha, Guangdong, China. See you!